Welcome to my channel. Today, we will see that how to create an effective, SEO-friendly, Instagram influencer research gig on Fiverr. Now, let's make a gig. Firstly, open your Fiverr account, go to your profile, and click on Create a new gig. So, first of all, we need to enter the gig title. I have pasted to over here. You can keep the wording capital if you want. I think this is perfect title for gig. So, at least give your gig 2 weeks of time, and if you are not getting a good response, then you'll delete it. Don't edit and change the title. Delete the whole gig. If you didn't get orders or reviews, then delete the whole gig. And then the categories. In these suggested categories, the first one is digital marketing. Influencer marketing. You have to select this. This is the best category. Now, if you see down below, it is asking to select the subcategory in which you are working. So, the most demanding subcategory is fashion and beauty. Second one is sports and fitness. Another is food and beverage. Music and brand, it's demanding too. These are few niche, that's get so many order. Mostly people select beauty, fashion, fitness, gym life, and like music. Mostly, people are working in all of these categories. So, from here, I select beauty and fashion, and sports and fitness. So, the next option is search tags. So, here, I am on Fiverr the platform. And I have searched Instagram influencer. You can search according to your gig title. Or, you are making gig, on find best Instagram influencer. Then simply click here. Open the ranked gig in new tab. When you scroll down the description, at last you will find tag section. That is Instagram influencer, influencer research, find best influencer. And so on. So, this is one way, means open different gigs, and then scroll down, and make a list of most common tags. And now, what is the second method? The second method is that, go to search bar, and type here, Instagram influencer. Now, you get all tags below services. You can write this one by one. So, I write these tags. And click on Save and Continue. Now, the next thing is how to set up your pricing detail. You can either single package gig or 3 gig package. Now, I write all of my things related to gigs. There are 3 categories: basic, standard, and premium. You can write all of these things according to your gig. And now, click on Save. Here, we have description. So, now let me give you some guideline of how to write description. Open the ranked gigs, read their description thoroughly, make sure, don't copy their description. That way, you get some of idea. So, that way, I write the description. You can get idea of this. Make sure, don't copy it. Now, this is frequently asked question. If you think that your client can ask a question from you, you can write over here. You can add it, if you want. I just click on Save option. Now, here, we have requirement section. Click here, on Add New. So, basically, in requirements, you are telling your clients that you needs these set of things before starting the work. Now, right over here, click on Save. Now, finally the next section is gig. We need to add gig image. Here, we got our image. Then we'll click on Save and Continue. The last step is Publish. Here you just need to complete the following requirements to start selling. We fill this question. And click on Save. Here, your gig will appear here. I hope you learn very well. Thanks for watching.